Welcome to class. It's a bright, shiny day for you. I'm Ayorinde, and at the end of today's lesson, you should be able to solve some questions on indices. Okay, now, example 1. You have to simplify 16 raised to power 3 over 2. Okay, and the first thing that you will want to do is to rewrite the question, and in writing it, remember one of the laws says that you can as well write this as what 16 raised to power 1 over 2, okay, bracket or raised to power what 3. Okay, that is, you have brought out the 3, and this 16 raised to power 1 over 2 simply means what? That the square root of what? 16, okay, bracket what? Bracket 3. That's just the meaning. Okay, and now this simply means that what are the two things you can multiply together to get this 16? Are you getting what we are just trying to say? And a good and the answer to that one will be what? 4. Okay, 4 times 4 will give you 16. So this is going to be what? 4 raised to power 3. And of course, 4 raised to power 3 will give you what? It's going to give you 4 times 4 times 4, which is what? 64. That is the answer to this question. Okay. Now let's solve this example 2. We are asked to solve 27 s raised to power 7 divided by 9s raised to power of 9. Very super easy to solve. Just write out the question again as well. 27s raised to power of 7 all over 9 raised to the power of what? 9. Are you getting what we are trying to say? Okay, so 9 here, 1. 9 in 27 is what? 3 times. So what you are left with is going to be what? Is going to be 3x raised to power of 7 all over s raised to power of 9, which is the same thing as 3 times s raised to power of 7 all over s raised to the power of what? 9. And easily you can apply the law of indices here, and when you apply your law of indices, what are you going to have? You are going to have 3 times s raised to power 7 minus 9. This is division, and of course if you solve that, you are going to get your answer to be what? 3 times s raised to power of minus 2. Okay, and if you still apply another law of indices, this is going to become what? It's going to become 3 all over s raised to power 2. Now let's solve this last example. P raised to power minus 5 times p times 1 over p raised to power minus 3 times 1. Okay, this is very super easy also to solve. Just write the question again. Okay, alright, which is the same thing as what? P raised to power minus 3. But this 1, don't forget that anything raised to power 0 is 1. So it simply implies that p raised to power 0 also will be what? Will be this 1. Are you getting what we are just trying to establish? Okay, having understood that, you can now start to use the law of indices. Or you might want to rewrite it as what? P raised to power minus 5 times p raised to power 0 all over p raised to power minus 3. And you can as well bring this p raised to power minus 3 up to become p raised to power 3. Any method you want to use. Okay, and when you do that, you are going to have p minus 5, okay, times will be what? Plus 0. Okay, but if it is division, it's going to be minus. Okay, it's be minus 3. Don't forget that it is minus 3 that is here, and because of law of indices, which is minus, that's why we have this minus. So this one becomes what? P minus 5, p raised to power minus 5 plus 0, minus times minus become 3. And of course, your final answer is going to be what? P raised to the power of minus 2, which is the same thing if you apply the law of indices as what? P raised to power 2. Okay, and with this, we have come to the end of this class. See you in our next class as we talk more on mathematics.